Hi friends, my name is Viranshu. I just began writing books. Basically, I write about non-fictional books and that is related to societal issues. My first attempt is in the form of a very small book, and the name of that book is A 5-Year-Old Myself. In this book, I have actually addressed to the parents of the 5-year-old children. Now, as far as the parents or the guardians of these children are concerned, they find it very challenging as well as they find it very difficult to upbring their children because of their own service commitments. And they are definitely educated and socially awakened and financially well off. But still, they find something sometimes very challenging to upbring their child. So, looking into this particular issue and these challenges, I decided to actually write a book which is called A 5-Year-Old Myself. It is available in Kindle as well as Amazon, in ebook format as well as in paperback also. So you can also purchase it and get it in the copy format. In this book, I have brought out 36 aspects, and these aspects are related to upbringing the child in a better way. And I have also taken care of the aspects which includes the overall development of the child. So it is not only related to the mental development but also physical development as well as the social and ethical development. So if you want to actually buy this book, then you can just get it, as I said, in Amazon, and you can just simply type my name, that is Viranshu Books, or you can type it like A 5-Year-Old Myself in the Amazon search bar, and you will get that book from there. And I can assure you that once you read this book as a parent or a guardian or even as an elder, you will definitely be able to help your child to grow up in a better way. So I can understand that there are many parents who are actually very well off and they are very educated, but sometimes in some areas we try to miss out. So have tried to actually go ahead and address those issues which we generally tend to miss out because of our own busy schedules. So I would request you, please go ahead and purchase this book and read it. And I would also request you to please give me the valuable feedback and suggestions, so how I can further improve and write my next books which might be of different genre and also of different societal issues. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.